Emergency lights are very useful to carry in all parts of the house, but a bar like the BlitzWolf LT8 is more than that, since it saves energy when using LEDs and has the convenience that when incorporating a sensor of movement, it will only turn on when you are in the room. The same is a way of knowing when there is someone for a room. The BlitzWolf LT8 lamp comes at an angle of 200 degrees, with 200 lumens. It has a removable lithium battery. It is resistant when using materials such as aluminum, PC and ABS. The rechargeable battery is 1000 mAh, at 3.7 V, which offers 3 hours of duration. The motion sensor of BlitzWolf LT8 is 120 degrees, with range between 3 and 4 meters and can be deactivated manually.